Hey there, James from Dimensional Insight again. Today we're going to learn about link rules. Link rules are things that allow you to tie together multiple different data sets to get really rich access to your data. So with that, over to training to teach you more about link rules.
In this demonstration, we'll create a link rule. You use a link rule when the data you want to work with is in two separate data sets. For example, let's say you want to count all the outpatient records in your OR log dataset as identified by the values in the surgery patient type column, but some records are missing that value. You could use a link rule to retrieve the missing data from another rule, patient type, in the accounts dataset. The values in surgery patient type can now be used in the creation of a new calc rule column, for example, OP surgical case. The two datasets you're linking must share a key, a rule that has the same name and same contents in both datasets. In our example, both the OR log dataset and the accounts dataset contain a rule called account ID, so account ID is our key. The dataset that contains the additional values you want to work with is called the target dataset. You can use the name of the target dataset, here accounts, as the link name as well. For this demonstration, we've already named our link and specified our key. We haven't created the link rule yet, however, so let's do that now. We'll begin by double-clicking our factory file name, cfg.factory, to open the file. The Measures page opens, showing a list of the 7 measures currently in our factory file. We're creating a link rule, so we need to open the Rules page. Next, we'll click New. The new rule pane opens. We're creating a link rule, so we'll select Link Rule in the Create box. We want to associate our link rule with dataset OR log, so we'll select OR log next to In Dataset. Because dataset OR log already contains a link named Accounts, Measure Factory automatically selects that link for us. So we're now ready to click Create Rule. The new link rule is created and opens in the detail pane with the default name New Rule 1. We'll name the rule Patient Type, which is the name of the target dataset rule that contains the values we want to evaluate for our calculations. Next, we'll specify the calculation we want the link rule to perform. The expression we'll enter looks like this. Let's enter the expression in the calc field. So that's how you create a link rule. On the Rules page, you click New, select Link Rule, select the dataset for which you're creating the rule, select the link, and click Create Rule. Then you name the rule using the name of the rule that contains the data you want to work with, and specify the calculation you want to perform with the link rule. You can now use the link rule in conjunction with other calc rules. For example, a calc rule that identifies an OP surgical case record.
Oh, you're back. Sorry about that. I was just learning about a different kind of link. I hope this video taught you everything you need to know about dimensional insight link rules and how they let you tie different data sets together. If you did, feel free to click the like button below and subscribe for more videos like it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.